What's up guys, welcome to Tech Ideas channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make PNGs or images and pictures with a transparent background in very fast way. First I will show you how to make PNGs from pictures that have a completely white background, and that should take only a second. And also how to make PNGs from pictures that have a lot complicated background, and that may take a minute, so hit the subscribe button and let's begin. As you can see guys, this image background is completely white, and that's so easy to erase. It only takes 1 second to do. You just select the eraser tool by clicking on the right side of the mouse in this little icon right here. Then choose the third option. After that you put the mouse in any spot in the background and simply click once and the whole background is gone like that. It's that simple. And if it misses any spot, you just choose the first option in the eraser for manual erase, and you can erase it by yourself. As you saw, it's very simple and easy way to make PNGs from pictures that have a completely white background. But now let's choose a picture with a lot complicated background and show you how to make PNGs from them too. In this picture we'll erase everything except the tiger. To do that, first we have to select it, the tiger. And there is two ways to do it. The first one, we come to the selection tool at the top right here. Then simply click at the tiger and we drag and try to make the exact shape. It should be very easy. And if you misses the shape, as you can see right here, you can always switch between the plus and the minus right here in the top and you adjust it like that. And the second way is to keep the selection tool and click above in this panel that says select a subject, and it will automatically select it. But this method is not every time effective with the pictures that have a lot of subjects in it. And now after we have our tiger selected, all we have to do is to click at this little icon and create a mask, as you can see. But if it happens and comes like this, don't worry. All you have to do is to click at the Ctrl+I in the keyboard and it will switch. And now all it's left is to save this picture as a PNG by clicking at the files above here. Then save as, and now you have to choose the format that says PNG. And also name your picture. Let's say transparent tiger PNG. That's stupid. And that's all for me guys, but if you find this video helpful, hit that like button hard, it's really helped me a lot. And if you like to see more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe.